Hello, welcome to my kitchen. My name is Rhoda and this is the Cookilicious kitchen. Well, on the menu today is curry sauce. Well, this curry sauce, I don't think you've ever tasted it. Now, this curry sauce is a replica from what ify'skitchen did. I tried it. I have another curry sauce, but I decided to try her own version because of the secret ingredients she used, and it turned out beautiful. So please sit back and relax as we cook this. You are certainly going to enjoy every bit of it. If this is the first time of you seeing my channel, please do well to subscribe. Please just subscribe. It doesn't cost anything. And if you are a returning subscriber, you know I love you. Thank you so much. Now sit back and relax as we make this curry sauce. So here are the vegetables I'm going to be using. I have my yellow, red and green bell peppers. I have my carrots. I have my scotch bonnet pepper. I have my onion, and I'm going to be using tomato, but this is optional. You can either add or you reduce. So let me prep and let's go to the cooking process. Now for this, you can actually cut the way you want. You can cut in cubes. You can also cut in strips. So I'm done prepping my ingredients. You can see they are all prepped. So this is my chicken. So I've steamed my chicken. I actually wanted to use the chicken for something else, so that's why I steamed it. I'm going to be using paprika, curry, black pepper, chicken seasoning, garlic and ginger, and my rosemary. So in a clean dry pot, I'm going to add just a little oil. So I just want to toast up my meat for a little while. So it has salt already, so I'm just going to be adding just a little seasoning and my black pepper. So I'm going to leave it until it's a little bit golden brown. So this is exactly what I want. So I've taken the meat off the heat. I'm going to add another little oil. And I'll add my onion. So I'm going to fry this for a few minutes. My peppers. In now with my carrots, because carrots is the hardest amongst all this, so it's going to take a little bit of time to get cooked, but we still don't want it very soft. We still want it to be a little bit crunchy. So I'm going to be adding my garlic and ginger. I'm going to add my black pepper to it. I'm going to add my paprika. I'm going to be adding curry. So remember, it's curry sauce, so you just need to add enough of it. Please, all this is going to be done on a very low heat. I'm going to add my chicken seasoning. So I'm adding my rosemary, just a little bit. So it's looking all lush. So I'm adding my stock from my chicken now. Now you can see that my stock is not enough. So I'm going to add more water into it. So I'm going to let it boil before I add the next ingredient. Let's check on it. Wow, it's boiling beautifully. So at this point, I'm going to be adding my, can you see it? Yes. Now this is pepper soup spice. Yes. All right. So I made another version. I have another version of chicken sauce without this. Okay. And I tried Evie's version with this, and I must tell you, this is something else. So just a little bit. So you can actually check out hers at Ify's Kitchen. It's simply delicious. Simply delicious. So the next thing we're going to add, because I already cooked my chicken, that will be the last thing I'm going to add. So I'm going to add all the veggies at the same time. I must tell you, the aroma is something else in my house. It smells heavenly. Oh! Now look at how lush it's looking. Oil. So we're going to bring it to a boil, which should be in the next 3 to 5 minutes. Check on it. Alright, so you can see how beautiful it's looking. And I'm making rice to go with it. So at this point, you're going to check for your seasoning. Make sure it's well cooperated. This tastes good. So I'm going to be adding the meat. This looks beautiful. I have my flour, so I'm using flour today because when filming it, I realized I didn't have cornstarch, so you can use flour. So I have 2 tablespoons. Mix, 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 mix. Make sure it's properly mixed. Alright, so depending on the thickness you're going for, you can make it lighter or you can make it thicker. So I'm adding So I'm going to let it cook again for another 3 to 5 minutes, and voila, the food is ready. So at this point, it should thicken up a little bit. Let's check on it. Wow, did you see it? Oh, it's looking so and smells so nice. So look at the thickness we're going for. The reason is because when it gets cold, it becomes thicker. So you are going to make it a little bit light. As it gets cold, it becomes a bit thicker. So please, if you have watched up to this extent, please do well to subscribe to this channel. Subscribe, please subscribe, so that YouTube is going to show my videos to more persons. And if you are a returning subscriber, you are so amazing. You know I love you. Thank you so much for always coming back to watch my videos. I love you. Now we're going to let it cook for 1 more minute and the food is ready. So guys, the sauce is ready. So hope you enjoyed watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, and see you in my next video. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.